a guaranteed sale dream or reality. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your home will sell within a set time frame, no matter what. Selling a home can be stressful, it's emotionally charged, it's financially draining. The process can be overwhelming, with endless paperwork, negotiations, and the uncertainty of finding the right buyer. Wouldn't it be easier if someone could guarantee a sale? Enter guaranteed sale programs. These programs are designed to take the stress out of selling your home by offering a safety net. These programs promise to sell your home within a specific time frame, or they'll buy it themselves. Sounds like a dream. For many, it is a dream come true, providing a sense of security and predictability in an otherwise uncertain market. It can be, but like all real estate deals, it's crucial to understand the details. The fine print can make all the difference, and it's important to know what you're signing up for. This essay dives into the world of guaranteed sale programs. We'll break down how these programs work, what they offer, and what to watch out for. We'll explore the benefits and drawbacks. From the peace of mind they provide to the potential pitfalls, you'll get a comprehensive look at this real estate strategy. We'll uncover the motivations for both homeowners and realtors. Why do homeowners opt for these programs? What do realtors gain from offering them? By the end, you'll be equipped to decide if this real estate strategy is right for you. Whether you're looking for a quick sale or just exploring your options, understanding guaranteed sale programs can help you make an informed decision. In simple terms, a guaranteed sale program offers homeowners a safety net. This program is designed to provide peace of mind to those looking to sell their homes, ensuring that they won't be left in a lurch if their property doesn't sell quickly. Here's how it works. You sign an agreement with a real estate agent or brokerage. This agreement outlines the terms and conditions of the guaranteed sale, including the time frame and the predetermined price at which the agent will buy your home if it doesn't sell. This agreement guarantees they'll sell your home within a set period, usually 90 days. During this period, the agent will actively market your property, host open houses, and negotiate with potential buyers to secure a sale. If they fail to find a buyer within that time frame, they are obligated to purchase the property themselves at a predetermined price. This ensures that you have a guaranteed exit strategy, no matter what the market conditions are. This predetermined price is typically slightly lower than the market value. The reason for this is to account for the risk the agent is taking on by guaranteeing the sale. This price difference acts as a safety net for the agent. It allows them to cover any potential losses they might incur if they have to purchase the property and then resell it. It allows them to resell the property without incurring a loss. The agent will still work diligently to sell your home at the best possible price within the agreed time frame. While the guaranteed sale price might be less than you hoped for, it provides certainty. This certainty can be invaluable, especially in a slow market or if you need to relocate quickly for a job or other personal reasons. It eliminates the stress of your home sitting on the market indefinitely. Knowing that your home will be sold within a specific period allows you to plan your next steps with confidence and peace of mind. In conclusion, a guaranteed sale program can be a beneficial option for homeowners who prioritize certainty and peace of mind over potentially higher profits. It's a strategic choice that can make the home selling process smoother and less stressful. The main draw of a guaranteed sale program is peace of mind. It offers a sense of security that many home sellers desperately seek in a fluctuating real estate market. Knowing your house will sell within a specific time frame can alleviate anxiety. This assurance allows sellers to plan their next steps without the constant worry of their home lingering on the market. This is particularly beneficial for sellers facing time constraints. Whether it's a sudden job relocation, an urgent financial need, or the desire to close quickly on a new property, time is often of the essence. Examples include job relocation, financial hardship, or a desire to close quickly on a new property. These situations can add layers of stress, making a guaranteed sale program an attractive option. Guaranteed sale programs offer more than just a quick sale. They provide a structured timeline, which can be crucial for coordinating moves and financial planning. They provide certainty in an uncertain market. This certainty can be a game changer, especially when market conditions are unpredictable. This is particularly appealing in a buyer's market. In such a market, homes can take longer to sell and sellers may have to make significant concessions. In a buyer's market, inventory is high and competition is fierce. Sellers often find themselves competing with numerous other properties, which can drive down prices and extend the selling process. A guaranteed sale program can be a welcome relief for sellers eager to move on. It allows them to transition smoothly to their next chapter, knowing that their current home is taken care of. Why would a realtor offer such a program? It seems risky, right? Well, guaranteed sale programs are not just beneficial for sellers, they can be a powerful marketing tool for real estate agents. These programs attract potential clients by offering a unique value proposition. They differentiate agents from competitors. However, these programs also come with pressure. Realtors are incentivized to sell the property quickly and for the highest possible price. They want to avoid having to purchase the property themselves. This pressure can lead to creative marketing strategies and increased effort from the agent. Section 5. Potential pitfalls, what to watch out for. While tempting, guaranteed sale programs are not without potential downsides. One primary concern is the risk of receiving a lower sale price than desired. Remember, the guaranteed sale price is typically lower than market value. This discount acts as insurance for the agent. Another risk is the potential for scams. Always research and choose reputable real estate agents and brokerages. Look for experience with guaranteed sale programs. Read reviews from previous clients. Don't be afraid to ask tough questions about their track record and success rate. Section 6. Lower sale price, a necessary compromise. The lower guaranteed sale price is often the biggest sticking point for sellers. It's crucial to weigh this potential loss against the benefits of a guaranteed sale. Consider your priorities. Is a quick and certain sale more important than maximizing your profit? Remember, the guaranteed sale price is not a fixed number. It's negotiable. Skilled negotiators can often secure a higher guaranteed price. This is especially true in a seller's market, where demand is high and inventory is low. Section 7. Time constraints and market fluctuations. Guaranteed sale programs operate within specific time frames. This can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. On the one hand, it provides certainty and eliminates the uncertainty of a prolonged listing period. On the other hand, it might not allow sufficient time for the market to respond favorably. Market fluctuations can also impact the effectiveness of these programs. In a rapidly declining market, the guaranteed sale price might become outdated quickly. This could lead to a situation where the agent purchases the property at a price higher than its current market value. Section 8. The fine print, terms and conditions. Before signing any agreement, scrutinize the fine print. Pay close attention to the guaranteed sale price, the program's duration, and any fees involved. Understand the circumstances under which the agent is obligated to purchase your property. Some programs might have hidden clauses or conditions that could affect your ability to sell at the guaranteed price. For instance, they may require you to make certain repairs or upgrades before the agent agrees to buy it. Section 9. Weighing the pros and cons. Guaranteed sale programs offer a unique value proposition in the real estate market. They provide peace of mind, a quick sale, and reduce stress. However, they also come with potential downsides, such as a lower sale price and potential risks associated with market fluctuations. The key is to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Consider your priorities, financial situation, and market conditions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, negotiate terms, and seek professional advice. Section 10. Is a guaranteed sale program right for you? The decision of whether to utilize a guaranteed sale program is highly personal. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. If you prioritize certainty, speed, and convenience, and are willing to potentially accept a lower sale price, then a guaranteed sale program might be a good fit. However, if you are more concerned with maximizing your profit and have the time and resources to navigate a traditional sale, then a guaranteed sale program might not be the best option. Section 11. Conclusion: making informed decisions. Navigating the real estate market can be challenging. Guaranteed sale programs offer a tempting solution, but it's essential to proceed with caution. By understanding the mechanics of these programs, the potential benefits and the possible drawbacks, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your individual circumstances and financial goals. Remember, knowledge is power. Arm yourself with information, seek expert advice, and make the choice that's right for you.